Hello, and welcome to a special DIY Thanksgiving cooking spot with Miss Jo. Bet you're wondering what sugar cones, baking spray, a roll of crescent doughs, and some tin foil have in common. They're going to help you make a delicious treat for your family. We're going to be making some crescent roll cornucopias, and you can use these to fill up with leftover turkey salad, or maybe you want to put some whipped cream and some fruit in it for a fun dessert. They're so easy, you're going to be wondering why you never made them before. So the first thing we need is a sugar cone like this, and you're going to take it and carefully roll it in some foil like that, and we'll just go ahead and we'll tuck our extra piece in like that. And this one I made a little longer, so if you want to make kind of the little cornucopia tail there, you can, or like this one, you can just leave them perfectly straight. So the next thing I want to do is I've got this crescent roll sheet. You use that and you put it down, make sure all the seams are kind of pressed together. And then I've taken my paring knife here, and I'm carefully cutting. I'm going to cut strips like this. And you need to cut about 8 strips. And then what you're going to do is you'll carefully take one of your strips here and your little cornucopia. And we're going to make sure you're overlapping your seams, and take it and go ahead, and we're just going to stretch it around like that. Then you're going to take kind of one of the strips, and you're going to cut it kind of in half, because what we're going to do there is we're going to get fancy. I'm going to take it and we're going to roll it like this. And again, just kind of stretch that on around, so that'll make the top of your little cornucopia. Now, these have a lot of butter in them, so they're probably wouldn't stick to the thing, but just in case, you can use, and this is butter flavored just because I like it. You can use a little bit of cooking spray there, and make sure that it's greased. And you're going to do our same thing. We're just going to keep taking our little strips here. And, I mean, how easy is this? You could even get the kids involved. This is easy enough that the whole family can get in on some Thanksgiving fun here. So again, and I just sealed that like that. Okay, and I'm going to take a piece of my dough here, and just like before, I'm just going to twist it and put that little twist around the top. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to repeat that until I've got, half a dozen of these made. So now we're going to go ahead and pop them in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. And then we'll show you what they look like. Yum. All right, we're going to pop our crescent rolls in the oven here. That. And there we have it. And now wait 10 minutes, and we're going to have some great things to put some yummy filling in. And here, wow, would you look at those? How beautiful are they? Hey. these turned out yummy. Look at that. And they're ready to be filled with something good from your kitchen. And they're so easy to get out. We just take it and gently twist the cone and it pulls out. And here's our final product, just waiting to be filled with maybe turkey salad or pudding or whatever your imagination would like to put in them. In any case, they're really a fun and pretty addition to your table. You might even put one along each person's plate and use it as a place card holder. But whatever you do, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving from all of us here to your homes. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Take care.